Welcome to my channel. So I'm sure lockdown has been like an eye-opener for many of us, just like it has been for me. Most of us have, realized the importance of home-cooked food. Obviously, because lockdown के time पे पहले हम क्या I'm talking about the initial 3 months of lockdown. जब हम बाहर से कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते थे और ज़िंदगी हमारी इतनी इजी हो गई थी कि whenever we wanted something, be it pizza, be it spring roll or something, we would just run out, go to the market, buy it and come home. So lockdown made us realize that these things can be made at home also. I, to be very frank, realized a lot of things. I have a 13-year-old kid, and you also know you might be having one, or you've gone through that stage, and you know कि इस time पे you're so inquisitive and you are like fascinated by all goodies that you see in the market or maybe in the TV, and you're like ये भी मुझे खाना है, ये भी मुझे खाना है. So a 13-year-old has a lot of wishes, and he wants to eat a lot of things. And it was really impossible for me to keep him occupied all the time, make him feel interested all the time. Bread खानी होती थी, bread भी जाने के लिए बाहर कुछ नहीं मिलता था, and I mostly prefer आटा bread or multigrain bread. I don't prefer any other bread. मैदा तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. And then from somewhere I realized that बाहर से जो आपको आटा bread बोल के मिलती है वो भी exactly आटा होती नहीं है. So I thought why not go ahead and try something at home. So I made chocolate peanut butter bread recently, and I was told to share the recipe. So this is how I'm going to start my cooking thing with the peanut butter recipe. So you must be wondering, what is this book that I've kept in front of me? This is my recipe book. So what exactly happened when I was a kid? मेरी mom ऐसे बहुत सारे dishes बनाती थी जो कि with time she has forgotten. Maybe because she was not making it, or she didn't write it down somewhere, so she doesn't remember it now. So मैंने decide किया है कि मैं जो भी घर में बनाती हूँ, I am going to write it down in my book. So I recently started it 2 or 3 days back. So I'm thinking of jotting down all the recipes so that आगे future में अगर मुझे किसी को देना है, like if I have a daughter or if my son wants to give to his wife in the future, he can do that, and it is going to be a क्या बोलते हैं उसे generation वाला recipe book that I cooked for myself, and I want my family ahead of me to follow these. So that's how I've started writing these recipes that I try on myself. So today we are going to go ahead and try peanut butter bread chocolate wala recipe. So let's go ahead. So let's begin with the ingredients. The first one is 2 katori atta or 1 katori quinoa flour, 500 ml of milk, peanut butter, that is chocolate peanut butter. I have this one, you can use whatever you have. This is baking soda, this is baking powder, and this is vinegar that I'm going to use and put in this to curdle milk. This is also dahi, a cup of dahi, and some coconut oil. Instead of coconut oil, you can also use olive oil or a vegetable oil, but I want to use coconut oil as it is healthy. So these are the ingredients. Let's just go ahead and mix them all together. So to begin with, ये दूध में we are putting 2 spoons of vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to put that only. So let's just mix it well and wait for it to curdle. Let's mix all these things. Let's take this dahi and add into this. Then let's add this. So once dahi और ये अच्छी तरह whisk हो गया, dahi और oil, keep the whisk aside. Add peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter. I'm going to use 2 spoons, 1 spoon and 2 spoons. Okay, so mix this well now. take all the dry ingredients and start mixing them. But while you're doing this, you know, you can also put the gas on. ये मैंने नीचे नमक डाला है, नमक जो मैं मोस्टली बेकिंग के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ. सो कढ़ाई में नमक और ये ट्रे डाल दो and keep it on the full. Cover it and let it, you know, get on a high temperature so that जब आप इसको ऊपर रखें तो वो आराम से पक जाए. So adding all the dry ingredients now. ये आटा डाल दिया, उसमें बेकिंग पाउडर 2 स्पून. अगर आपको बेकिंग पाउडर नहीं है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इनो. इनो इज ऑल्सो द बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ गेटिंग यू नो, जैसे वो ऊपर उठता है तो उसके लिए दैट इज द बेस्ट सोर्स. इफ यू डोंट हैव अ बेकिंग पाउडर, बेकिंग सोडा, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट 1 स्पून. So this is going to be 1 spoon. Then थोड़ा सा शुगर डालेंगे. शुगर की जगह I am going to use गुड़ because I want to make it health conscious. So I am going to use गुड़. So this is cinnamon powder. So I am going to use 1 pinch of cinnamon powder and then a bit of salt. So this is rock salt. So I am going to use a pinch of rock salt. Now sieve them all well. अच्छी तरह से हिला लो, मिक्स कर दो इनको so that they are like, you know, नीचे चले गए. So once this is put, now we'll go ahead and put दूध जो कि अब कड़ल हो चुका है. So we're going to go ahead and put milk in it. Put the whole and then use this whisker and, you know, whisk it well. So they say you should whisk it well and whisk it in one direction. Keep moving it in one direction. इससे जब वो irrate होता है तो, you know, that helps formation of bubbles. So that is really good when you move it in one direction. So keep doing that. So sometimes it's a big task and the hands start spinning. Now this is the baking tray that I'm going to use. इस पे मैंने वेजिटेबल ऑयल डाला है और थोड़ा सा आटा डाल के इसको पैट ऑफ कर दिया है like this so that वो हर तरफ लग जाए. So I'm going to put this into this and then put the whole thing into this. So this is into this. Just, you know, do it like this so that जो भी है वो settle हो जाए. Then take it and put it inside this. हाथ बचा के क्योंकि ये बहुत गर्म है. So keep it inside and cover again. And you're going to keep it like this for 30-35 minutes and then get back and see how it turned out. So this is how it has turned out. I took it out. How to check whether your bread is cooked or not? ये आप फोक भी ले सकते हैं, but I am taking this करी पत्ता का डंडी and poke it deep inside. Take it out and see. इसमें कुछ नहीं लगा है. That means it is cooked well. So now I'm going to wait. जब ये ठंडा हो जाएगा, then we'll take it out and see how it turned out. So finally I took it out and this is how it looks. See how soft. And let's just cut one piece and see how it turned out. Sorry. So see, this is how it turned out. कितना soft है ये. So that is how it turned out. Please go ahead and do like, share, subscribe to my channel and wait for more recipes.